Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorials brought to you by Photoshop Elements Custom Tutorials Group. And let's jump right into today's poster. I want us to know how to skew or uncurve or what is called warp this photo. In the past, Elements only gave you image, transform, and distort, and that way you could distort one edge or the other. Now, in the newer versions of Elements, we now have a new tool here in the filter section called Correct Camera Distortion. What's really cool about this is that you can actually see what it's doing by bringing the scale of the photo down. So if I bring the scale of the photo down using the edge extension and then come to the very top and choose Remove Distortion, you can see exactly what's happening as I distort and bow the picture out or bring it in and do the opposite and bring it in by distorting the outside edges. And this pretty much straightens out the photo to about as much as it can be. Now, if you need more than what this level can give you, I would hit OK and then choose the layer again and double up on that same filter. Go to Correct Camera Distortion, and once again, let's do the same thing and distort it even more. And you can see that background straightening out even a little bit more. This tool is somewhat limited, so you have to keep on doing that, presumably over and over until you get a completely straight background. And once we get it pretty straight, all I got to do is choose the little circle down here to change the angle of the photo, and I'm going to straighten it out like this. And that's pretty straight. And then we just go ahead and crop off the picture to what is left over that's usable in the picture, which would be from here to about right there. And choose OK. And there we go. Our whole horizon is pretty much straight all the way across. And that's all there is to it for this tutorial. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.